A very good day to all of you folks. Welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. My name is Obake. On this channel, I bring you lifestyle vlogs based on my miscellaneous daily experiences. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. And if you don't, oh well, please indulge in any case. Subscription is free, by the way, and your indulgence helps me keep creating more content. Please like the video and hit the notification bell to stay updated for when I upload new videos. Now, take a look at this. Hello everyone, hello Ocho Squad. It's been a while since I said that. Molweni. Guys, I am just here to say, ndicela ningatsibi imigaranto. When you're watching my videos, don't skip the ads. Please don't skip the ads when you're watching my videos. Like the video, share, comment, and if you're new on this channel, this is the first video of me that you see. Subscribe. Chances are uzokonwaba aba and uzawufuna ubuya. Yabo. So veskiyenze lula lento, subscribe, and so that ungaphosa next time andipostile. Hi guys, ndisendleleni emsebenzini, yabo. I thought let me take advantage of the sun ndiyenze i-intro, otherwise masiqhubeke ne-vlog.
Welcome back to OG Media. Checking in on OG Media. Tap that bell and subscribe. Keeping the spirit alive. Sharing what you see. Support means everything to me on my OG Media channel. Early sunlight hits the screen. Mug is full and mind is clean. Waking up to your notifications. Thinking up across the nations. Drop a comment below. Watching the family grow. I read every single line. Writing back every time. If you find something you like, bring it out to the light. Take a second of your day to help me find my way. Welcome back to OG Media. Checking in on OG Media. Tap that bell and subscribe. Keeping the spirit alive. Sharing what you see. Support means everything to me on my OG Media channel.
Guys, I am really at work. You see, we are at work. No, I'm just talking to my people that I'm at work. They might think that I'm not at work because they see the food. I just did an intro now to say that I'm going to work. Yeah. No, don't worry, your face is not here. I'm just showing them that we are working.
In the morning knowing that you're always there. If you find something you like, bring it out to the light. Take a second of your day to help me find my way. Welcome back to OG Media. Checking in on OG Media. Tap that bell and subscribe. Keeping the spirit alive. Sharing what you see. Support means everything to me on my OG Media channel.
Subscribe now.
Welcome back to OG Media.
Imi nawe lane.
Checking in on OG Media. Tap that bell and subscribe. Keeping the spirit alive. Sharing what you see. Support means everything to me on my OG Media channel.
Also, guys, I have got a colleague who's originally from Limpopo. So he went home and he brought us, myself and some colleagues, he brought us avos. Those ones that you guys are seeing, I had one for lunch in the office already. When he handed me those ones, I also had the narchi in the office. So he brought us avos and narchis. Because I know that I gave 4 of my avos to another colleague who was not part of the of the gang who received, and another IT guy took one. He had it for lunch as well. So then I came home with those ones. So yeah, guys, have friends from Limpopo. Guys, these are original, but these are organic. Like these narchis, zine seeds. I can't remember the last time I bought narchis and they had seeds from the shops. These ones, they are so sweet and they have the seeds. I literally kept the seeds. Wait, don't worry. Definitely that one. This one. Thank you, Magazi. Guys, Jongani. I kept the seeds, Nazi. Seeds the narch. They are here. I'm gonna give them to Mrs. Senior Azikale. Because wow. And then this the others. Ilapa in their corner. It's here. So I'm gonna keep this and give them to Mrs. Senior Azikale, because wow, guys, I understand. Yeah, but it doesn't look like a proper narchine. As sweetie. Anyway, thank you. You know yourself, Moss. Hi everyone, it is yet another day. I just came back from doing my nails.
Your sleep is spicy.
Yo, I just came back from doing my nails and I cooked. It is a Sunday. We went to church. I woke up, went to the gym, went to church, went to do my nails, and I came back and cooked. Yeah. So I didn't cook with you guys because when phone calls and I made a jam squash, made a peas, and I did bend them a little, as you can see. Stew, I just took it off the stove now. As you can see, the steam. I grilled my potatoes, unpeeled potatoes. Then for desserts, we're going to have a milk tart. It's gonna take about 8 minutes. But anyway, it's gonna take about there we go. It's gonna take about 8 minutes to prepare. So once we're done eating, I will prepare it because it is served right after warming or heating. Yes, after heating, then you serve immediately. So yeah, it's in packet and then sike. Sizotya ne-dessert plus ndilambile yo. Bekunini ngoko kaloku sana.
Welcome to the channel at OG Media. Please show some love. Subscribe and join the family at OG Media. That's all I'm dreaming of. Don't skip the ads if you got a second. Check the feed and find a blessing. OG Media is where we stay. Thanks for supporting me today. Drop a little note in the box below. I promise to reply. Share the link and let the garden grow underneath this sky. Fresh uploads when the day is new. Connecting everything I do. if you find a vibe you feel.
Guys, it is yet another day of the vlog. I know this feels like a deja vu moment. It is not. It is a totally different day from the other day that you guys saw. Even it's even a different gym. Ne? But anyway, guys, I hope you're enjoying the vlog. You're not skipping the ads. You've already liked by now and you've already subscribed. So just update, guys. I want to do my this one, actually this side, this side. Remember I had butter yellow, right? But then la butter yellow uya cracker, so ebe crackile apha nalapha. This side beku crack apha and then lo ebe se right. So I asked them to change the color. Bandenzele for free. A cream. I think it's called cream. And ibonike from here. But anyway, yeah, shem bandlungisile for free. But then no uhlelo uyacrackla yellow. So I told them, bana guys, next time if icolor endifunayo iyacracker nibongixelela, I will change. Into engazoyenza ukuthatha icolor ogqiba within 2 days imoshakale. So sivumelene ke bachilo ukubana next time bazongixelela if I choose any other color. The ladies base cream ba nice. The first time ndiyile ndaya ku late, it was after work, after 5 ne kwasekuthiwa kuyavalwa. I think bavala ngo-6. Shem ulady was like no izanza kwenza yabo. Then ndaya for the second time ndayenza izandla because that time ndandifo toes I didn't have enough time myself. Then ndaya for izandla and then again, so there were 3 ne. And then the other one asked because she saw me take content, she's like, oh yeah, vlog, or I don't know. But anyway, we ended up, if you're point bana, oh, and their vlogger. She's like, no, let me subscribe. No, she subscribed. So today, because there's only 2 today. Mna guys inenza intoni landele yana yazi. But ba nice siyancokola and ngwasetsomo. I hope I'm good. Tsomo ne ngwasetsomo lo omnye obukeli vlogs. I'm not gonna say their names because I didn't ask for permission to say their names, but they're nice ladies, yazi guys, and they asked bana cela nize apha eCarlswald cream nizokwenza insipho zenu. So far ndise happy ndimcha. It's my 3rd time, which is given Lungisa, but yeah, I'm happy with their service and ba friendly shem yazi ba friendly. But one thing with their shop badlala umculo, so you can't, well ngona vlog and ndinibonisa indawo I was talking, but then I realized as I was editing that I can't because copyright, so I just had to mute that part. But yeah guys, please give them a chance. So from them, actually bendiya ejimin apho bendiya khona bekhona class today, power pump. I tried it on Sunday and I think ditandile, so I was like, let me give it a chance again today. So yes, Ejimini took a shower at the gym, and we do have water at home. See about guys, it's a different day. Yes, we do have water. So in the shower Ejimini, then bendio tenga ikofu emak and bean. Then I decided about, oh, it's in the lule apa a cream di lungisa. So yeah, I got myself ikofu emak and bean. I also got muffins. And there's the injalende yam and the emak and bean to muffins because kesana it never used to be the case. But anyway guys, this is the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on the next one. Until the next one, you guys take care. I love you so much.
Please show some love, subscribe and join the family.